We're back here at the Victron home screen in Victron Connect. Let's say you have forgotten what you used as your unique pin code for your Victron charge controller. Let's look at resetting that. Here, you're gonna see your device. 3 little dots here will pop up where you can select reset pin code. You'll enter your PUK number. I already have that here on my clipboard. Let me just paste that here. All right, and then once you do that, you can push OK. It's going to check to make sure you enter the right information. And look, pin code has been reset to 6 zeros. So now you'll be able to connect with the default pin code, and then you'll have the option to change it to a unique one. Just make sure you remember it, but we can always reset it if you do forget it again.